Sorry,
let's talk about something. When we talk about Jubilee not caring for the rule of law, you know, there was an accident that the whole country witnessed. And I want to talk to Jubilee supporters here. You saw an accident where demonstrators were actually run over by a car. We know the car owner, we know the name of the car owner, we know the registration of the car. Up to date, nobody has arrested that particular person. We've not seen the Matiangi come up and speak. Well, are Luo lives not important? Are demonstrators of NASA not important? We also have a situation where Matiangi is actually reviving some militia group in Kisii, saying, I have this group of people, you know. And then you've got Nairobi Business Community, which we know, again, is the revival of the Mungiki. For me, the Mungiki are Kenyans. All right? They were Kenyans who were oppressed and misused by political power over the years. In the end, they became too difficult to contain. Bringing them back is not the right solution. Sorting out the land issues is the right solution. Empowering them so that they can actually serve, be able to gain gainful employment. We keep the people so poor that we can drop a few thousand shillings and get them to do anything we want. This country needs unity. And Baba said yesterday very clearly that we do not want to harm any Kikuyu in Luo Nyanza, in Kisumu. We want to have a country where everyone can trade. And he wants the justices, the injustices of this country, meted by the people in leadership, and they stem from the two communities. Right? And the same communities, let me tell you, the Kalenjin people are very, very poor. The Kikuyu people are very, very poor. They are also marginalized. And yet they are brainwashed into saying that, no, uyu ni mtu wetu. No, let me tell you something. The only person you owe allegiance to is God. And God says we have to love each other and love your neighbor. We have to stop stealing. We have to stop lying. You know, and the thing is, this is what the Jubilee government is all standing for. A lot of lies, a lot of stealing, you know, and a lot of hate.
All right.